Now that you've discovered the different sensations you can give your playing by experimenting with different tempos and different ways of timing, let's have a look on how we can use rhythm as a creative device in your playing. With rhythm, I mean basically everything you can play over this pulse of music we've been talking about. Rhythm is based on movement, and it's first of all a bodily experience. Any rhythmical thought is the awareness of this bodily experience. Each one of us has its own internal flow of rhythm, and you can easily become aware of this flow by thinking of a rhythm first, and then put the notes to this rhythm. So instead of playing the pitches first and then put a rhythm to it, we will work the other way around. Let me demonstrate a very simple exercise that you can do. I'll listen to a jam track, I'll feel the pulse inside my body, I even can move along with the jam track. I get familiar with the key of the track and the chord progression. And next, I'll say a rhythmic pattern first, and then I play it on my instrument, with just one note or with a couple of notes. And when saying this rhythmic pattern, you can use any syllables you like ta-ta-ta or pa-pa-pa. Just make sure you're not singing the pitches. Ta, 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 ta. Ta ta ta, ta ta ta. Ta ta da ta ta ta. Ba da 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 da. I can make one rhythmic idea the basis of an entire improvisation. I can easily keep repeating a rhythmic pattern and keep varying with the notes, and I can break free whenever I want. Don't be afraid to repeat yourself, but also don't be afraid to subvert yourself whenever you like. You're the artist, you know, you can do whatever you like. Here's just a small example. Ba ba da 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 da. Da 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 da. Now, picking a different jam track or a piece of music will immediately lead to different rhythmical ideas. Each piece of music has a different feel because it's a different tempo and a different groove, so you will immediately say different rhythmical patterns. So let's try this, and while listening to me demonstrating this, you already can sing or say out loud your own rhythmical ideas. Ta 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 ta. Ta da dee da. Da da dee da. Be da da dee da da. ba 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 dum. Da da ba dee do down. Connecting to any piece of music from the perspective of rhythm is incredibly powerful and a lot of fun if you ask me. Think of a rhythm first and only then put notes to this rhythm.